Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add CAPTCHA to your WooCommerce checkout. This is a crucial security feature that helps protect your online store from spam submissions and bot attacks during the checkout process, ensuring that only real customers can complete their purchases. Let's dive right in and get this set up for your store. First, you'll need to open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already done so. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your WooCommerce site, as this will give you access to all the necessary tools and settings you'll need to enhance your checkout security. Now that you're logged into your WordPress dashboard, it's time to add the CAPTCHA functionality. Look over to the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. This will expand to show you several options related to plugin management. From these expanded options, click on Add Plugin. This section is where you can browse and install new features for your WooCommerce store, and it's exactly where we need to be to add our CAPTCHA protection. You'll now find yourself on the Plugins page, which displays all the available plugins you can add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. From here, locate the search bar at the top of the page and type in reCAPTCHA. You'll see various results appear, but what you're looking for specifically is reCAPTCHA for WooCommerce. Once you've found it, click on the More Details button to see a complete overview of this plugin. This will help you understand its features and functions before committing to the installation. When you're ready and satisfied with what you've read, click on Install. Now, keep in mind that the installation process might take a little while to complete, so be patient and let it finish properly. Once the installation is done, you'll see the button change. Go ahead and click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. After the plugin is activated, direct your attention back to the left navigation menu and click on Settings. You'll notice that there's a newly added option available now. From the Settings menu, click on reCAPTCHA WooCommerce. This will take you to the configuration page where you'll set up the actual CAPTCHA functionality. On this page, you'll be presented with simple instructions for obtaining your reCAPTCHA keys. You'll see a link provided that will take you to Google's reCAPTCHA service. Click on that link and follow the steps to generate your site key and secret key. Once you have both keys, return to the settings page and enter your site key in the first field and your secret key in the second field. These keys are what connect your WooCommerce store to Google's reCAPTCHA service, enabling the security feature to function properly. Next, you'll need to select on which forms you wish to add the reCAPTCHA protection. You'll typically see options for the checkout page, login forms, and registration forms. Choose the ones that are most relevant to your store's security needs, with the checkout page being the primary focus for this tutorial. Once you've configured all your preferences and double-checked that everything looks correct, click on Save Changes. This finalizes your setup and activates the CAPTCHA on your selected forms. And there you have it, you've successfully added CAPTCHA protection to your WooCommerce checkout, making your store more secure against automated threats. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.